In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint animation on laptop. By the end, you'll know how to add animations to text and objects, control the timing and order, and preview everything so it looks polished and professional. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation on your laptop. Any slide you want to animate should be visible in normal view so you can work comfortably. If you haven't decided what needs emphasis yet, think about the key points you want your audience to focus on. Animations are most effective when they support your message, not distract from it. Next, click to select the object or text you want to animate. This could be a text box, a shape, an image, or a chart. If you're working with text, remember that the entire text box is treated as one object. You can still reveal bullets one by one later, but selection begins with the text box itself. Head to the Animations tab on the ribbon at the top. This tab is where all your animation tools live. If you don't see it, you might be on another tab like Home or Insert, so just click Animations to switch over. Now choose an animation from the gallery. You'll see options like Appear, Fade, and Fly In. These are entrance animations, which bring objects onto the slide. Subtle choices like Fade often look clean and professional, while more dramatic ones like Fly In can draw strong attention. You can click Effect options to change direction or style. For example, make a Fly In come from the left or right. Use animations sparingly so your viewers stay focused on your content. To fine-tune everything, click Animation pane on the right side of the Animations tab. The pane will show each animated item on the slide. Select an item in the pane to adjust its start setting, on click, with previous, or after previous, depending on whether you want it to play with a click or automatically. Tweak duration to control how fast it plays and delay to pause before it starts. If you want multiple animations on the same object, choose Add Animation rather than replacing the original effect. You can also drag items up or down in the pane to change the order. Use Preview to see how your animation looks on the slide. The Preview button on the left of the Animations tab plays the sequence so you can check timing, pacing, and overall flow. If something feels too fast or too busy, go back to the Animation pane and refine. That's it. Open, select, animate, adjust, and preview for a smooth, engaging presentation.